Hi friends, welcome in this online class of Jizaऊ Jnanatirth Vidyalay, Parbhani. Friends, today we have to see the Science of Standard 7. In this book, we are in the third chapter. The name of the chapter is Natural Resources. And natural resources, we have seen the information about air and water. So today we have to see the information or discuss about the next natural resource, that is soil. We have to see information and the characteristics of soil. Next, see here properties of soil. Color is an important property of soil. The soil gets its color as a result of several processes. The color of soil near land surface is darker than the color of the lower layer. The soil may be of different colors such as black, red, copper, yellow, grey. These are the different types of color are available on the earth. The colors of the soil are useful for its classification. Besides, they are indirectly useful in indicating several properties of the land. In this way, the properties of the soil, such as its fertility, drainage of water, capacity to hold water, become clear from its color. The color of the soil depends upon its texture and its organic ingredients as well as on chemical ingredients like iron and lime. So, on the basis of color, we can classify the soil as well as the soil depends upon texture and organic ingredients present in that soil. Some chemical ingredients like iron and lime are also present in the soil. To determine these properties, we have to do one experiment. In this experiment, 3 measuring cylinders apparatus we have to take. In the apparatus, 3 measuring cylinders, 3 glass funnels, filter paper, water, fine sand, coarse sand, soil from an earthen pot used for growing plants, etc. Procedure: fit cone of the filter paper in the 3 glass funnel that can you observe in the picture that is on the screen. Fill the cones with equal quantity of A sand, B sandy soil and C clay soil respectively. Place the funnel on the measuring cylinders. Pour 1 test tube of water into each of the funnel and observe how much water is collected in each measuring cylinder. What inference will you draw from this? See here, with the help of this experiment, we can check the water holding capacity of the soil. Okay. And on their water holding capacity, we can classify or separate the soil. Next is the soil texture. In this topic, soil contains particles of different sizes. The texture of the soil is determined by the proportion of particles of the various size in it. Following are the types of soil on the basis of its texture. Sandy soil, रेताड़ मृदा. The proportion of sand, that is large particles, is high in sandy soil. Water drains rapidly through sandy soil. It is easy to plug this soil, but it is less fertile. This is because of the particles of sandy soil are made of the minerals called silicon dioxide. The particles do not dissolve in water, and therefore the soil has very little capacity to supply nutrients. Okay, this is about the sandy soil. Next type of soil is silt soil. The particles of silt soil are of medium size. The next type is silt soil, म्हणजे पोयटा मृदा. The particles of silt soil are of medium size. Silt soil is not as pluggable as sandy soil. However, it is much more pluggable than clay soil because the size of particle is medium. This soil contains a large proportion of organic materials. Its capacity to supply nutrients is much greater. Silt soil is also called sedimentary soil. See, this soil is we call it as sedimentary soil also because its capacity to supply nutrients is much greater. Okay. The next type is clay soil. In this soil, the proportion of small particles is maximum. The particles of clay soil feel smooth to touch. Clay soil has a high water holding capacity. See, the sandy soil has low, silt soil medium, and clay soil has a high water holding capacity, and this capacity is on the basis of the particles of that soil. Okay, so friend, this is about the properties of natural resources and texture of the soil. So friend, the next information we have to see in the next lecture. We will stop here. Okay, thank you.